have the welcome address from the head of national sales for GLICO General, Mrs. Angela Asante. Please give her a round of applause.
When the seasons shift, even when a subtle beginning, or the sense of a promised change, I feel something stir inside me. Hope, anticipation, whatever it is welcome. And this is by Christine Armstrong. Good morning, and thank you all so much for joining us this last day of 2021. On behalf of the Executive Chairman, the Group CEO, board members, senior management and staff of GLICO General, we welcome you to GLICO General Swissport office. We are really thrilled to have you all with us this day to join us launch our Motor and Homeowners Club, as well as our WhatsApp business solution and GLICO General web portal, which allows our customers to buy their insurance from the comfort of their homes while enjoying many embedded benefits. We are also exceptionally honored to have our friends from the broker fraternity and members of the media present here for this launch. Thank you for coming, and it means so much to have you here. Today, one of the many dreams we've been brewing is now ready to be outdoored. And we are proud to share this moment with you. Our expectation is that we will all live here trusting in the timeless and innovative brand of GLICO General. We believe you will all be proud to be part of this history-making moment. Thank you so much, and welcome once again.
So we have amazing guests who are here. We have people from the media. We have our group CEO here, Mr. Edward Fokoche. Welcome, sir. We have a guest of honor here. We have amazing guests who are here to grace this occasion, people from the media as well, and we appreciate your coming. We will take the remarks of our indefatigable MD, Mr. Andrew Champonche. Please give him a round of applause as he comes to give us his amazing address.
Thank you. Good morning. The word was powerful. Now try and pronounce the word. Indefatigable. Chai. Good morning, all. It's great to be here this morning. To our special guest of honor, Mr. Shaibu Ali, our invited guest, our dear esteemed board members of GLICO, the management staff of GLICO. We have also the GIA president represented here, our friends from the NIC. We say welcome this morning. Season's greetings to you all. A Merry, Merry Christmas. Today, we are adding to the history of GLICO, and we are grateful to God, first of all, for the opportunity this morning to launch the GLICO Homeowners and Motor Club. We could put our hands together on that one. Over the years, we have served our cherished clients with the cushioned life. Indeed, GLICO goes beyond just a mere insurance cover. We at GLICO General have provided customized insurance solutions over the years to our varied stakeholders, our cherished clients, our brokers, our agents. We're grateful for all the support. But most importantly, insurance here, they say insurance no or no any claims, i.e. claims payment. And I'm happy to announce that as of this point, we've paid in excess of 30 million in claims. On this score, I also want to assure you and our various stakeholders that GLICO General, GLICO as a whole, is ready for the full rollout of the new capital regime for the insurance companies, which comes into effect the 1st January 2022. When I was a little boy, I recall I was very active. Yes, I did have an accident one day. I cut my head, and I was bleeding profusely. And I recall the dilemma and the issue that we had then. It's a national issue, because when you are in a dire situation, emergency response, we had to get a taxi. Bleeding, trying to, give me the first aid, rush all the way to hospital. And some of you recall, first thing that you would ask is, where is your membership card? Emergency situation. No, things have improved now. Who's paying for this service? Emergency situation. You may be dying. That was then. But has the situation changed? It has changed a little. But with the introduction of our homeowners and motor club benefits, we seek to bridge this conundrum that we have in Ghana. It is a national problem, getting first aid, emergency response. So today, as we stretch beyond merely giving our clients just a mere insurance cover for your home and for your motor, we will fill you in on the great benefits that the Motor Club and the Homeowners Club has to bridge, such that in such emergency response situations, you have the benefit of our emergency response, courtesy of our GLICO Healthcare, to give you the needed service in the hospital, to get you to hospital, and get you the treatment that you need promptly. My colleague would expand on the benefits very shortly. We encourage our prospective clients to secure their homes, secure your vehicles against fire, against theft, flood, natural disasters, and all the perils that we cover. GLICO, when we say we cushion you for life, that is what we do. We cushion you for life. Finally, let me just add that technology has always been one of our hallmarks. Against the backdrop of COVID-19 and the impact it continues to have on our operations and the economy as a whole, the progression of our business is indeed a testament to our resilience and dedication. Our collaborative zeal for learning and adapting to tactfully, digitally savvy ways has no doubt reflected in our customers' centricity. And this aids our excellent customer service delivery. We can put our hands there again. My colleague Angie mentioned we have created online platforms. She's mentioned the outdooring of the WhatsApp underwriting, the broker and client portal, many more, just so we give you the convenience of interacting, of engaging, and ensuring your risk with us. Whenever, wherever you are, 24/7, you can engage with GLICO, and insurance is just now not a doorstep away, it's just a finger click away. I say, GLICO, we cushion you for life. I say thank you all this morning for joining us in outdooring our GLICO Homeowners and Motor Club. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, MD. Thank you so much. What does it mean when we say a motor club? What does it mean when we say a homeowners club? And to do us the honors of speaking more on this, I have the honor to invite onto the stage Mr. Charles Graham-Mensah, the Chief Business Development Officer of GLICO General.
Our dear esteemed guests and fellow staff gathered herein, I feel highly honored to have been given this task this morning to unpack twin innovations. And you know, I'm also a twin. The GLICO Motor Club and then the GLICO Homeowners Club. Emphasis on the, because there's something unique about this. We don't know what the year 2021 will have for us in terms of surprises, because it's almost done. As Andy said, today is the last day, we all know. But what I can say today, GLICO is going to unveil a surprise to all of us. For any innovation, just like any innovation, both the GLICO Motor Club and the Homeowners Club started as an idea. And it has gone through a lot of thought process by the team and refining. Today, I unveil what it's all about. We all recall when in 2019, but particularly in 2020, when NIC asked or came out with an enforcement directive on motor premiums. As we sat down as a team one morning, the thought process was, what do we give to our clients as extra benefits? Because there were no more discounts going to apply, premiums were no more going to be cheap. So in the course of it, the Motor Club was born. In addition to that, we're thinking of how do we let our customers, the prospective customers and the existing customers, how do we let them have a feel-good factor of GLICO, knowing very well that what we have been noted for is that we cushion our clients for life. So the Motor Club was born. And herein are the benefits of the Motor Club. Now what we're saying is that this club is open to all comprehensive policyholders, individual comprehensive policyholders. For everyone who we admitted, your premium should be a minimum of 2,000 Ghana cedis. In addition to that, we are saying that once you become a member of the club, we have to get your consent. So although your 2,000 motor comprehensive qualifies you, we need your consent to be able to formally invite you as a member of the club. Now these are the benefits of the Motor Club. We're all aware of what is happening. There's Omicron, we don't know what is going to happen again. People wouldn't want to go to hospitals to visit and all that. So what we are saying is that once you become a member of this club, you have access to free virtual medical consultation. So in the comfort of your home, you can speak to your doctor. As my MD said earlier, this is in collaboration with GLICO Healthcare. So you are speaking to a doctor, he's advising you, and further discussions will be taken over by the doctor or by the individual. So free virtual medical consultation. You also are entitled to discounted medical services, including ambulance, delivery of prescribed medicines, and medical laboratory services. In addition to that, MD gave us a very graphic picture of how he had an accident and was bleeding. But look at this picture as well. You are driving in the middle of the Tema motorway, 12 a.m., and your car decided to start coughing. You have a problem with your vehicle. What do you do in the middle of nowhere? What the GLICO Motor Club will offer you is a subsidized roadside assistance. In other words, something happens, you can easily call, and at any time somebody will come to your assistance. Remember, it's not that you have to have an accident if your car is faulty. You have roadside assistance. We have also collaborated with some of our garages, and you'll be entitled to free vehicle diagnosis checks. In addition to all of this, you have free GLICO General branded souvenirs. So that's for the Motor Club. For the Homeowners Club, anyone who will qualify for this has to have a minimum premium of 500 Ghana cedis, In addition to that, as I said, we'll need your consent. And you'll be entitled to the following benefits: a free virtual medical consultation, discounted medical services, including ambulance delivery of prescribed medicines and medical laboratory services, exciting free limits of cover for content and accidents up to Ghana cedis 10,000, right? 10,000 Ghana cedis free on your contents, and in case you're involved in an accident at home. Then you'll be entitled also to GLICO General branded souvenirs. Our dear guests, friends, and colleague staff, the question I ask is that how more comfortable can the cushion get? Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you for coming.
We move on to the next item on our program. But before that, we have here Mr. Shaibu Ali. He is the CEO of the largest broking firm in Ghana. I believe you should give him a round of applause for that. He is also the president of the Insurance Brokers Association of Ghana. He's the newly elected president. Oh, show some love for that one as well. He deserves all the round of applause. Congratulations on your elections, sir. We're moving on. And this is the part I like the most. We're going to do the official launch, and we would invite to the stage Mr. Edward Fokoche to take us through the official launch. Please give him a round of applause as he comes.
It is now time for official launch of the twin products. So let me again call up stage Miss Nadia Buari to join me. Yes, ma'am, you're welcome. Miss Nadia Buari is the GLICO Homeowners Club face. That is the face. Put your hands together for her. We have another fine gentleman here this morning with us, who is also the face of the GLICO Motor Club. He's in the person of Mr. Joe Oscar Metal. Shall we please receive him? You see, because of COVID, we are restricted. Other than that, having this nice gentleman and this nice lady by me, the best thing would have to embrace them. But because of COVID, we are restricted. Lady and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me here upstage. We're going to walk to the other side and unveil these twin products. So please join me as we move down. Thank you. So we unveil this. Please come over. Come around. Hold it with me. We unveil this in the name of the Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good. So you see this beautiful picture showing ambassadors and these beautiful faces, beautiful and handsome faces. Miss Nadia Buari, who is the face of the GLICO Homeowners Club. Shall we put it together again for her? And another handsome face, Mr. Joe Oscar Metal. You know, I'm hearing the Oscar, the middle name, for the first time today. So, thank you so much for joining me to perform this function. We appreciate your presence so much, and thank you for being with us all this while. We appreciate so much the efforts you have put in all this while in making sure that you are part of this project. We appreciate it. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.
The two key words that I use so much in the industry today is innovation and digitalization. Why innovation? We have gotten to a point in the life of the industry when the customer or the consumer has become so sophisticated that they are questioning every single thing. Every single city that they pay as premium, they are questioning what they get in return for it. So it is no longer normal business for you to take premium from somebody and then say, oh, when there's a claim, we'll pay you, knowing that there might not be a claim. What happens to his money? So the client has become so sophisticated, they are questioning everything we do to the extent that we need to be ready to give something back. We need to be ready to go the extra mile. That is where innovation comes in. And that is why innovation becomes key. I've been in the industry, at least I am entering my third decade in the industry, to know what has happened at different points in time in this industry. At some points in time, nobody cared. Pay the premium, if there's no claim, go. You could even pay your premium, there's a claim, the insurer can tell you this one won't pay, and there's nothing you could do as a client. All these have changed. And today, the consumer demands more from us. The consumer wants to get something extra from us. So the person has bought motor, but wants more. What can you do within the remit of what the regulator is saying? Don't give XYZ discount. So what GLICO General is doing is apt. Using what you have to get what you don't have is simple. Now, beyond this, beyond innovating to give the customers or the clients something in return for the money they give to us, is what we do ourselves. As workers of insurance business, what do we do? Now, this is something I say to my class always, anytime that I teach, that the issue of undercutting, the issue of bad underwriting is happening in the insurance industry because the people who work in the insurance industry do not own the insurance companies. And I ask a simple question. The kenkey seller who uses 2 cedis to produce a unit of kenkey would not go to the roadside and sell that kenkey for 1 cedi, knowing very well that she would make a loss of 1 cedi. But because we come to the office, we sit down, at the close of the day, we go home. At the end of the month, we get our salary, irrespective of how much premiums we have collected or not. So we can afford to cut the premiums to the bone. We need to start to think about changing our attitude towards work. We need to start to think about how we service our clients. Because everybody is now coming out with the same policies that we are coming out with. The difference is moving to service delivery. Who is the insurance worker who is prepared to give the extra? Who is prepared to let the client know that this is an insurer who thinks of me more? Enough of innovation. The other aspect is digitalization. We have gotten to a point where we cannot continue to sell insurance like we used to do. It just will not work. Where somebody will come and buy a motor third party, pay a premium of, let's say, 400 Ghana cedis. If you break down the premium, what actually would come to GLICO General as your income is so small. Yet we will spend more than that to take that policy to that person, wherever that person is. That has to change. Else we'll be making losses ab initio. From day one, as you write the business, you make a loss. I tell my staff that, look, this 400 Ghana cedi, as a broker, my income is less than 40 Ghana cedis. This person is sitting in Tema, asking you to move a car from Accra to Tema. By the time you go to Tema and come back, you have spent no less than 100 Ghana cedis. What have you achieved? Digitalization comes in handy, where we can distribute our insurance products without spending money. On the click of a button, the person has access to everything, and this we need to take seriously. GLICO General, I'm very proud of you guys with this. And I'll say that for me and my company, you have my support.
Thank you.
From 27th January, when I became president of Insurance Brokers Association of Ghana, you have the support of the industry. Thank you very much.
One time Boza for him. Boza. All right. Moving on, we will take the closing remarks all too soon. We are here at the end of the launch of our Motor and Homeowners Club. But before we take the closing remarks, I want to speak a bit about our WhatsApp platform. Now, our WhatsApp platform offers you the opportunity to buy your motor and home insurance just under 5 minutes. All you need are the details of your car, a picture of your car, the rear, the front, the sides and the sides, the details, the chassis number or the VIN number. You have an online mobile money account. You can pay for the process. So all you need to do is just text hi to the WhatsApp number 0242 426193. 0242 426193. When you send hi, the system is automated to respond to you. You can put in your name, your full name, your phone number, your email address, and then the system will take you through. It's very, very easy. It's as easy as ABC because the system will tell you what to do, and all you have to do is reply with numbers. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you get to the point where you have to pay. You make the payment online, and then your documents and your schedule and everything will be sent to your mail as well as your WhatsApp. You have the sticker on your WhatsApp right from just a hi that you sent to the number 0242426193. I'm very excited about this because as an e-commerce person, this gives me the opportunity to also meet my target. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, we are moving on to the closing remarks. We are taking the closing remarks for Dr. Abeo Anoba. He's from GLICO Healthcare. Please put your hands together for him.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm from GLICO Healthcare. My name is Dr. Emmanuel Anoba. I'm just going to briefly comment on this great policy that GLICO General has introduced. First of all, I want to acknowledge everyone. I've seen our group CEO here, and our board members are also here. I've seen MD for GLICO General. Thank you very much for this opportunity. So one of the great things about this policy that I'm so excited about is the free virtual medical consultations. I'm sure we are all aware of COVID, and because of that, many people are reluctant to go to the hospitals, to go to the clinics, for them to be taken care of. What this is going to do is that at the comfort of your home, you can just pick your phone, give us a call. We have loyalty cards that will be given to those who are going to join this club. You just pick the call, you call the e-medicine hotline, and then you will be booked to a medical doctor who is going to call you, do the consultation. Now, primary health conditions like malaria, like urinary tract infections, like typhoid fever, like respiratory tract infections, these are some of the things that will be dealt with, and especially for those who also have chronic conditions like hypertension, diabetes, hypercholesterolemia, if you like high cholesterol, it's a big word. Okay, so what will happen is that the doctor will consult with you via either a phone call. We can do Zoom, we can do Teams, we can do WhatsApp video, anyhow you want it. And then a diagnosis will be made. If you have to do a laboratory investigation or a test, what will happen is that GLICO Healthcare has over 700 service providers nationwide. So it doesn't matter where you are. A laboratory will be sent to you at the place of your comfort, whether in the office or in your house. And then the sample will be taken. When the results are ready, it will be sent to the medical doctor who did the consultation, and then the doctor will call you back, discuss with you the laboratory test, and after that, prescriptions will be made. Now, this is what is going to happen. You don't have to go to a pharmacy to buy the drugs yourself. A delivery will be dispatched to wherever you are, whether at the office or at home. It will be sent to you at the place of your comfort. And if you have any challenges, you can still call back. The doctor will also manage your condition. So in summary, this is what the e-medicine bit of the twin product is going to do. And I'm so excited about it, and I encourage every one of us and everybody who is going to come into contact with this to also join this club, and you will have the best of customer experience. Thank you very much.
We will take our vote of thanks from Miss Nadia Alote. Please give her a round of applause as she comes.
I deem it a great honor to give the vote of thanks for today's special occasion. First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty for making this launch a success. Secondly, we would want to thank management and staff of GLICO, brand ambassadors, all invited guests, and also to you for availing yourself and making this program a success. Thank you all for coming, and let's enjoy the rest of the week. Thank you.
GLICO, we cushion you for life.